Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today we're going to learn how to make Ninja Foodi hard-boiled eggs using the easy 5-5-5 method. Now remember, these can be made in the Ninja Foodi or the Instant Pot. It's completely up to you, but it's going to be made the exact same way. All you're going to need are 12 eggs and 1 cup of water. Now you can use fewer eggs if you prefer, but typically we go with a dozen whenever we make these, and then we just keep the extra in the fridge for later if we need to. The first thing you need to do is grab the cup of water and pour it right into the pot of the Ninja Foodi. Then you're going to place that wire trivet in the low position. Now that you have that in, you can carefully add all those eggs into the Ninja Foodi, placing them right on the wire trivet. Normally it holds 12 eggs pretty well. You can use fewer eggs if you prefer. So as you can see here, we're just putting them in one by one right on top of that wire trivet. And they go in pretty well. Normally I can easily fit 12. If you wanted to use less, you could, and I am using large eggs in this video, and that's normally what we use on a regular basis. So once you get all those eggs in, you're going to go ahead and lock the lid in place. So you put the lid on, and then you're going to set that nozzle to seal. And then we're going to set it on manual high pressure for 5 minutes. It does take a little bit of time for the pressure to build. After the timer goes off, you're going to do a natural release. That means you do nothing for 5 minutes. Just let it stay on warm for 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes is up, go ahead and release any remaining steam. And then we're going to get these eggs put right into an ice bath. Now that means you're going to grab a bowl and you're going to fill it with ice water and place the eggs in the ice water for 5 minutes, which completes the 5-5-5 method. So 5 minutes of pressure cooking, 5 minutes of natural releasing, and 5 minutes in an ice bath. Now you'll find these are incredibly easy to peel after they've been in this ice bath for 5 minutes. It's actually kind of life-changing whenever it comes to hard-boiled eggs. You'll probably never make them the same way again. So I've got those all in here, and they're going to chill for 5 minutes. As you can see, they're all in the bottom of that bowl. And then once they get done, we'll go ahead and start peeling the eggs. Now these are perfect to use as eggs for just breakfast if you want a hard-boiled egg. Or you can use them for egg salad sandwiches, which is what we do a lot. And you can also use them for deviled eggs, which is perfect for the holidays. So as you can see here, these easily peel. You can peel them off, and I usually rinse them under cold water just to make sure I've got it all. And then I move right on and complete peeling the rest of them. And you can use that same ice water. I usually dip them right back in the ice water so that I can make sure all of the shell is pulled off. And some obviously will peel easier, like that one peeled easier than the other ones. But it doesn't take much work to get that shell off the eggs. And inside you have a perfectly hard-boiled egg. So this is our favorite way to make hard-boiled eggs right in the Ninja Foodi. So you can check out this Ninja Foodi recipe on my website, mommyhatescooking.com. Or I'll leave the link for you below as well if you need it. But really, there's not much to it. Then you can use it for Ninja Foodi deviled eggs, which I'm going to link to as well. Remember, you can find all these recipes right on my website, mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks for joining in, and I will see you next time with another great, easy recipe.